Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of art supplies, and I have to say, I'm particularly excited about this one. We're going to be talking about what I believe is the best paper for charcoal sketching available right now. Feast your eyes on the 9 by 12 inches sketchbook by Fuxi. This top spiral-bound sketchpad is a game-changer for artists of all levels. Now, let me break down why I think this is the ultimate choice for charcoal sketching enthusiasts. First off, let's talk about the quality of the paper. This sketchbook features 100 sheets of 68 pounds, 100 GSM acid-free art sketch paper. What does that mean for you? It means you can create masterpiece after masterpiece without worrying about your drawings yellowing over time. Plus, the texture of the paper provides the perfect surface for charcoal, allowing you to achieve those rich, deep tones that make charcoal sketches pop. But it's not just about the paper quality. The spiral-bound design of this sketchbook is incredibly convenient. With the spiral bound at the top, you can easily flip through pages without any hassle. And thanks to the sturdy construction, you can sketch away without worrying about the pages warping or tearing. Another thing I love about this sketchbook is its versatility. It's not just for charcoal sketching. You can use it for pencil drawings, pastels, ink, and more. The possibilities are endless. Don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the quality and value of this sketchbook. V. Rosalind Savanon says, "The pad covers are sturdy, and the paper is thick and really good quality." And Mark Walk adds, "Great quality and perfect size for on the go or at the house sketches." So, if you're serious about your charcoal sketching game, do yourself a favor and pick up the 9 by 12 inches sketchbook by Fuxi. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product critiques coming your way. Until next time, happy sketching!